Greetings everyone, Eric here. So today's kind of an interesting day because Jay Powell will be speaking out at Jackson Hole, Wyoming at their annual conference again. And more than likely, you're going to see a change to rates. So I think that there's a lot of people that are getting excited about that, but I have a feeling that that's already been baked into the market. You can see where the markets have done very well over the past 12 months. Then we had a little bit of a pullback, which we talked about early on, but since we have recovered since then. So again, what we're taking a look at is we really want to make sure that they're wrangling in inflation and making sure that inflation truly is coming down, but also is going to stay down. And the other thing that we have to take a look at is how good is the economy? How strong is the economy to do well if inflation in fact comes down? Because what could happen is if all of a sudden the jobs report comes out not so good, where more people are being unemployed or laid off or not working, then all of a sudden you're going to have a down economy. And if you still have inflation, then that's not really good. Then you've got stagflation, where you just have a stagnated economy and nothing's really going anywhere. So right now the economy's pretty good. Unemployment isn't horrible. So if they can slowly bring down inflation, maintain it, and then drop rates a little bit, we could have a pretty soft landing, which is what everyone's looking for. So again, I wouldn't expect that if they drop rates, all of a sudden the markets are just gonna soar. I kind of think that we're kind of expecting that at some point, whether it's soon or it's another 3 months or another 6 months. I do see where mortgage rates are starting to come down a little bit. That could supply a little bit of relief to the real estate markets, but again, that has its own issues as we speak. So again, not worried about the portfolios. Again, the alpha that's been incorporated into the portfolios has been very strong, and that has really helped get through difficult times. So again, nothing is wrong with the financial plan. Every income plan still looks solid. Not worried about that at all. We've been reaching out to you, making sure that we're updating those on a regular basis. If you have any questions about your portfolio or the overall year-over-year rate of return, give us a call. But again, I'm very happy with the way that we have positioned all of the assets in the portfolio. They're performing and responding very nicely to the market conditions. So I would expect that we're going to maintain course for the next 3 months. Probably will have a bumpy road here and there. Not too concerned about the elections one way or another. Remember, we pay more attention to what Congress does rather than the presidency. So I know that a lot of people still are getting very political at this point, and I get it, but we cannot. We really have to look and see what the administration and the policies that they're going to develop, how they're going to affect you, and invest accordingly for the best of your needs. So again, if you guys have any questions, reach out to us at 239-288-1575, and have a great weekend. Thanks so much.